continue. So what are the different type of printers? Okay, so here it is. First of all, I said what is about a printer. Printer is it converts your document or a picture as a soft copy into the hard copy in a printable format on the paper on something. Okay, so different types to take the do that one. It is like a dot matrix printer. Usually use a cartridge like ink cartridge, and there is a header having a pins. The header moves from left to right, right to left. Okay, so while it is moving, the based on your print, so the pins put a pressure on the ink ribbon, so it is the ink is applied on a paper. Ink is applied on a paper. So this is how dot matrix will print. Dot matrix basically monochrome. Dot matrix are basically monochrome printers. Monochrome printers means single color printers. Monochrome means single color. Black and white means it's a on white background, so black printing. That is a black and white. Monochrome means single color. Only one color. Either it is black or a blue or a red, depends upon the color ribbon cartridge is there. It make lot of noise. Mainly used for a bill printing, document printing part only. Inkjet printer is both color and black and white printers are there. You can take color print as well as a black and white printers also. Okay. You can take a black and white printing and a color printing also. We can able to take both the document printing and photo printing is also possible. Document printing, photo printing also possible. So there is a ink cartridge boxes. So when you are printing, the ink will be poured on the paper. It is like a ink traces on the paper will make ink. Okay. So paper quality must be good to get a more good part. But inkjet printer, the printer cost is less, but per page, number of pages cost is very high. Number of pages, print cost is very high. Printer cost is less, print cost is high. Okay, and it is slower than a laser printer, of course, slower than laser printer. And inkjet printers is basically used for a home and a small office. So I'm running a small office. So usually I don't offer a laser printer or a big printing. It's not there. Occasionally I'm taking a print. Weekly 5 prints are there. So I don't require to buy laser printer. I will buy inkjet printer is enough. Sometimes I need to print color documents. Sometimes I need a black and white documents. That is the laser printer. Inkjet printer. Laser printer is use the laser technology inside. So laser is a light is on the drum. So there is the electrical related things will happen. So I'm not explaining what it is already explained, but I am telling what is a laser printer. It is using a laser mechanism. The cartridges contains the powder. Okay, the print cartridge is a form in the powder format only, not ink format, not a some ink ribbon. It is powder format. The powder pours on the drum based on the laser trace on the drum. So the charge particles will attract the powder. It stick on the paper. So like that printer works. It is low noise, very less noise is compared to inkjet and dot matrix printer. Faster than inkjet and dot matrix printer, faster printing, low noise, monochrome, again monochrome, and basically you can say it is a black and white printing. Okay, so good quality cartridge will give you good trace document printing. Okay, mainly document printing, not for a photo printing. Okay, so regular photos like photographs kind of stuff, like inkjet printer, you cannot take a photo printing is not there. A printer cost is high, but print cost is less. Printer cost is high, print cost is less. Next one is thermal printer. Thermal printers are like this. So thermal printers are usually for a small scale printer type like a bill printers, bus ticket printers, ATM slips are will come. No? So ATM printers, POS like you swipe the card, debit card, credit card, so you'll get a print. Bill printing, shopping bill printing, you will get a. So that is also the use thermal printer. Okay, so what is the thermal printer? There is a heating element is there, and the paper is a chemical coated paper. Specific paper is there. Specific machine, specific type of paper. So that heating sets are different. Okay, from one printer to another printer. ECC machines. If you go to ECC machines, okay, that is also thermal printers. Okay, you can go to scanning things, not X-rays, guys. Ultrasound scanning. That is also thermal printers. You can see, look at the quality of the paper. It is different from regular papers. It is different from a regular paper. So why? Because it's a coating is there on the paper. Okay. So thermal printers are for a small part. Of course, bigger printers also there. Mainly it is don't use any ink kind of stuff. No ink, no cartridge, nothing. It's a so main important is the paper and the heating element. That is a thermal printer. Next is so based on the connectivity, that is based on the functionality, these are the printers, but based on the connectivity and access. Telling based on connection and access, printers are like a local printers, shared printers, and a network printers. So here it is. I'll try to draw the local printer, a shared printer kind of stuff. We'll try this one. Okay, first one is local printer. What is this local printer? How it is? It's just a printer. Yeah, everything is a printer only. Where it is shapes. It is. So it is a printer, which is basically. I will give you a explanation also. So then no problem. So it's a not a printer. It is a PC. My PC. Yeah. Okay. So I'm not leaving that PCA. So PCA. It's a computer. Next, you can get a printer shapes or a printer symbols also from internet, right? So that is you can see. I say right. You can take it icons from here it is printer icon. I am trying it, so whether it is possible. Yeah, very good. Computer also will possible, right? No, no, no. So we need this size is enough. Okay, so here is a printer. Next one is we need a connection, right? So earlier days we use a parallel port. Nowadays we are using USB ports. That's too intelligent. Okay, so it is a symbolic representation of a printer. Okay, yeah, it is better put it like this. So this a system is directly connected to the a system is directly connected to a printer. A system is directly connected to a printer. So if anyone want to take a print out, so I have to go to this PCA and I have to take a print. So that's it. So here it is. What is a local printer? When we say it is a local printer, a printer is directly connected to a PC. Okay, if anyone want to take print, they have to go to printer. They have to go to printer. If anyone want to take print, take a print, they have to go to printer. Okay, go to print. Printer means printers PC. A PC printers PC means I have to go to PCA. I have to go to printers PC. Copy the document. Copy the document and take print. Otherwise, take print. Okay, I think you got it point, guys. So I want to take a print. I have to go to PCA and I have to print from here. I have to take print from here. So this is local printer. Not changes, nothing changes. Not. Next one is shade printer. Next one is shade printer. What is this shade printer? Same thing only, no difference. Okay, no difference. So this is my PCA, no difference. What is a shade printer? Shade printer. So printer is connected to the local printer, same thing only, no difference in it. But here it is. I myself, my computer is connected in the network. My computer is connected in the network. Okay. Okay, I am connected to network first of all. I am connected to network. Next, I have so many computers. Okay, I have computers, those who are connected in the network. In a local, whether in a local printers, even in a case of local printer, okay. So in case of local printer, what to do? These PCA, PCB or PCC, so they have to go to the PCA and take a printout from the PCA only. Take the printout from the PCA only. Right? So that is the point, right? So that is a local printer. Same thing, local printer only. So not so now thing is this PCB. This is PCB, PCC, CD, PCE. All are in the work group only, work group domain. All are in work group domain or whatever it is. That's a different point. Okay, work group domain kind of stuff. So what I am doing here, okay, look at here. So this is a printer is connected to a local PC. PCB user want to take a print, he has to go to PCA and take a print. But that is a very big button, right? So that is a very big button. So what I have to do, I'll share this printer. Okay, I'm sharing this printer. Like a last class, we seen how to share what is the document kind of stuff, right? How to share things. Like I'm sharing this printer. Okay, I'm sharing this printer. So this is my printer. I'm sharing this printer. Okay. So what I have to do? So go to this printer through network. So my PC having an IP address, right? So my PC having an IP address. My PC having an address. Using an IP address of PCA, these people will access the printer. If it is a paintbrush, it is very easy to draw and clean these things. This is highlight color, but not color. It's a highlight color. What is this? It is, okay. So what happened? PCB required to take a print through network. Using this IP address, I can take the print. PCC want to take a print. Very simple. PCC also through network, it will take the print. Same goes for PCD or PC. So PCB, PCEC, the remaining PC is not required to go to PCA and take a print. Okay. So here is the advantage of a shared printer. Yes, there is a different way to tell, but this is I'm telling. Shared printer is a printer is shared through printer is printer is sorry, not a printer, any printer. A means it's a one. Printer is shared network or shared to network also. Okay, good word. Shared to network. So other PCs can access a printer without going to the local PC. That is the first important. Through network can access the printer without going to the local PCs. So they can access through network. So where they can view print from their PCs. only. So they don't need to come to your local PC. They can give the print from their own place through network. So print will come from this printer only. Printer is same. Printer not changing, connection not changing, local PC only. But other PCs can be able to give the print from their location. That is a shared printer, guys. Shared printer does not mean always same diagram, guys. It can be there. Like some people call this one as a network printer. Okay, some people call this one as a network printer. Some are called this one as a shared printer. Some are this concept we call it as a network printer. So that's why I put a star here. Some people call network printer. Why? Because of it is we are accessing the printer through network. We are accessing the printer through network because we access the printer through network, but not directly. There is a PC. Guys, in generally, you guys won't speak anything, so it is not required to ask a question also. But point I have to tell, right? So that's the point I have to tell. So where is the color kind of stuff? It won't give you any colors, layout, backgrounds, themes, transitions. This is the waste. Yeah, colors also there. Why I'm unable to see the color part? Shapes, callouts. Yeah, here it is came. This is the only red color. That is only writing color. So we don't find anything. Delete it. Yeah, point is um, not recording. We'll try. The point is, guys, um, always people will tell think positively. Yes, we have to think positively. Important is so there is always this is a positive way. Yeah, that everything should be in the positive way. Means you have to think the cases, worst cases also. One of the worst cases I'm directly telling is if in case your PC A is down, if in case your PC is down, what will happen? No one will take print because we are using a IP address of PCA. We are not using IP address of printer. We are using IP address of PCA only, right? So printer is also connected to PCA in this kind of stuff. So this is suitable for a small organizations, right? So it is suitable for a small office, home office, suitable for a small office, home office kind of stuff. So why it is again, we'll see. So why it is? Because it's a large number of users are not there. Large number of users are not there. Okay, so I don't require to buy a specific printer, network printer directly. So I'll buy a normal printer, local printer. I connect it to a PC. I share it to the PC. So users in my network can able to access the printer. Okay, if in case my local PC is down, So users cannot able to access my printer. So that is a fault. Again, where it is, here it is. Okay. If local PC is down, users network cannot access the printer. Cannot access the users in the network or users cannot access the printer. So via network users cannot access the printer. So that is. So why some people call this one as a network printer? Because we are accessing through network. But network printers are different. So network printers are different. So that is, we will go to network printer part also. It is not enough space. So I'm going to create a new slide for a network printer. Okay. So what is this network printer? What is this network printer? No. What we need is a printer. Um, I will try another, like this is a good icon. It's look like a good icon. So we'll try this one. Copy printer image. It is still very big. Yeah, we can directly take this network printer symbol like this. This is a network printer symbols. Okay, you can take anything. So when you feel good, then that is we will see. So some more are there. So no problem. Copy image. This is a network printer symbol. This is also a printer. So I'll keep it aside for future purpose. This is network printer. So I need a line with a thick line as required from here. And the color should be dark. This is print format. I done a mistake. What is this? End line, start line, insert a link, add comment, format options, position dot, like size, rotations, animations. Best. Okay. Why it is okay? Whatsoever it is. Yeah. Now it is dark in color. Now we'll go to the PC symbols. Yeah, computer symbols also you can take it like that. It's okay. No problem. So these are computers. These are the different computers in the network. So here it is. This is a network printer which connects to the network directly. Which connects to the network directly. Okay. So thing is, it connects to the network directly. I want to make it little bigger, so I will tell why I'm making that one as a bigger. Okay, which connects to network directly. So it is not required to connect to any PC. It's not required to connect to any PC. So we don't require any local PC kind of stuff. No need to depend upon a local PC directly. Here it is. We depends upon this PC network. Okay. So it's you have to depends upon this PC to take the print from the printer. But here it is. But in here it is. This printer is directly connected to the network. So it contains its own IP address and a MAC address. It contains a NIC. It's a built-in NIC is there. So it contains its own IP address and a MAC address. So for example, I have a PCs like a PC1, PC2, PC3. Want to take the print from the printer, so they can use this IP address directly. They can able to take a print. So that's the difference between local printer. Local printer should be connected to PC using a via USB kind of stuff, right? And if in case multiple users in the network, so they want to access the printer, you have to share the printer from the printer from the PC, local PC. So it is a local printer because of we shared, so we can able to access the printer. Okay, then here it is. Okay, in this case, printer is directly connected to the network. So printer has a IP address. Printer has a IP address and MAC address means it is contains a NIC. So we are able to access the printer through network directly without depends upon any local printer. But to configure the printer, to control the printer access, we need a print server. So we need a print server. What is the use of this print server? Print server to control or configure the printer. So it can be accessed through via network or directly. Okay. So we can able to access the printer either via direct connection or maybe but only the connection is only for configuration of IP address or any other settings. So we connect it directly. Okay. So guys, as for this, earlier days we have a three type of printers. One is a local printer. Next one is shared printer. Next one is network printer. Network printer to network directly. Printer is connected to the network directly. Okay. So meaning is the has printer has NIC. So printer has IP address and MAC address also. IP address and MAC address. Users can access printer through network using printer IP address users can access the printer through network using printer IP address and not depends on your local PC. Print server used for configuring, sharing, controlling the printer accesses, printer and printer access. So we can configure the printer, we share the printer, we control the printers, we know what is going on with the printer, and also we can control the printer access. That is the use of print server. Okay guys, so this is about a network printer kind of stuff. So based on the connectivity access, we will define these printers. Okay. This is, so the color must be in a good in color, like white is always default light. So I want a black color, so like this is a visible color. You can make it this one as a ball, no ball, that's to because it mixed in a jungle. Okay, so these three type of printers based on the connectivity. You connect a printer to a PC directly, it's a local printer. You connect a printer to a local printer, sorry, you connect a printer to a PC and you share the printer through that PC so other people can able to access through network. It's a shared printer. In a shared printer, the printer, the users access the printer through this PC, and if something goes wrong with this PC, you can't able to take a print. But in case of network printer, so network printers are directly connected to your printer. Okay, it is directly connected to the network, so any user can able to access the printer with the printer IP address, and we can control the printer and we can give the access permission to take the print. Okay, sharing the print, deploying the print using print servers. Of course, if you want, you can put a Active Directory domain environment also. Usually I use that one, Active Directory environment only for sharing printer in the domain in an organization. Who will use this network printer? That is the point I need not writing here. So who is using this? This is for a office organization. Okay, large number of prints are there. So in that cases, this will be there. Guys, why I divide like this one more box? I want to tell about one more printer that is called a Wi-Fi printer. Nowadays, it's not only these printers, also there is a Wi-Fi printers also came into market. Wi-Fi printers are basically for home and office purpose. Okay, office purpose. So I'm writing about a Wi-Fi printer here. What is the advantage of Wi-Fi printer? So no need of connecting cables, only for configuring printer purpose only. Okay, so you don't need to use any cables, no need to connect any cables to take print. only used for configuring printer, the two once only. Okay, when I purchased this Wi-Fi printer, I connected and configure. Again, next time it is got a problem, and because my router is got changed, again I have to configure. So then I search for a box, I find a cable, I connect a cable and configure it again. Okay, now I don't know where the box is available, where is the box and where is the cable. I don't remember. He thrown somewhere. Okay, it's almost more than 1 year. We didn't use it. Recently we configured it. How I configured, I didn't remember, but we configured it. Okay, next. Can give um, any device. Example: laptop, mobile, tablet. If in case your desktop is connected, okay, I think so. Yeah, Wi-Fi. Okay, Wi-Fi direct printing is also there. Wi-Fi direct printing is like a hotspot. So Wi-Fi router is also not required. In case it's not like that, guys. You may require, but it is like a hotspot sharing, data sharing is there. No, share it app is there. No, like through Wi-Fi you can share the data using Wi-Fi hotspot. Same thing, Wi-Fi direct printing is there like a hotspot. Okay, so even if you don't have a Wi-Fi router, you can use it. Next, um, you can control using app. Okay, using applications, you can have mobile application or laptop applications. You can control using an app for scanning, printing kind of stuff. Okay, so this is the benefits of Wi-Fi router. No need to connect it. Okay, uh, you know uh, when I first time I purchased a Wi-Fi printer is almost like a 6 years 7 years back. 6 7 years back means almost like 2015. I think 2015. By that time I purchased it. Earlier 2014, I have to go outside and take a printouts for applying jobs and all. So at almost 15 16 time, so 16 time maximum, I didn't remember exactly 15 or 16. So there is a HP ink advanced Wi-Fi printer is there. I thought better not to go for Wi-Fi, so I can save 1,000 rupees at least. Luckily I got some offer that time, so there is a 40% discount is going on, so we purchased it. So around a 4,000 6,000 printer, we purchased 4,000 only. First of all, I don't like it because it's a Wi-Fi concept, work hard don't work, so how it is will work we don't know. So that is a thing and waste of money, right? So without a Wi-Fi, I will save the money. But when I connect, what happened, we have a less number of sockets. One room, I kept printer separate room in that one, so we don't use that much room. So we put a printer there. We have whenever we require, we connect there. Okay, but I cannot able to connect my laptop because it's only one socket. Okay, so what I have to do? I will take the print. I will give a print from my laptop from another room, so I get a print in another room. Okay, so different rooms we are there, but how it is possible? Because of Wi-Fi. So then I understand it is a very good, and also start taking a, whenever I understand we can take a print from our mobile phone, so we don't require a laptop also. Now most of the documents we are forwarding through WhatsApp, right? So I got a document through WhatsApp. Now I want to take a print, so I don't need to put it in a computer. So you can take a print from any devices, like from my mobile phone also I'm taking print. Okay, so this is the importance of your Wi-Fi printer. I hope you understand about a Wi-Fi printer, guys. So based on the connectivity we are talking, but in a Wi-Fi printer is also used very good for a home and offices purpose. Okay, so you can search how Wi-Fi printers are look like. So you can also try the normal printer, network printer. So Wi-Fi printer symbol also you can try. See it is. So it's a printer symbol with a Wi-Fi on it. So there is a Wi-Fi symbol on it. Okay, so yeah, you can take any symbol which is a good looking symbol. Should be like a simple, not like this much dark. Okay, so simple. It's not a symbol, but I'm taking this image because it's representing. So you can take a print from your mobile phone also. Okay, so this is your print. Okay, this is a theoretical part of your printers, guys. Local printer, shared printer, network printer. So next one is how to configure a printer in your PC, how to share the printer. Yeah, I will continue. Guys, okay. Some people gone, no problem. Up to now, okay or not?
Okay, sir.
Okay. The first one is local printer. First one is a local printer. Means first of all, we have to printer to PC. Okay, first of all, connect printer to a PC. Network printer we can't able to show you that. That is also possibilities there. So anyway, I will show you that options. Connect printer to the PC. Next, drivers are installed or not. Okay, because it's whenever you connect a printer, the PC try to detect the printer model and install the generic drivers. So point is, whenever you connect printer, meaning is a device, system detects the printer, means device wise also you can able to take a device. Okay, so when you connect a printer, system detects the printer and printer model. Concept is okay, PNP. PNP means plug and play. So this is the plug and play, guys. This also involves in the driver's part, so listen carefully. So plug and play, when you connect a device, system will detect the device and the device model and load drivers drivers. Okay, next, if drivers not available in PC, in system, ask for it. It asks for a install drivers or shows big question mark like this shows or shows question mark at uh, device manager part. Okay, so there here it is. Shows. Now what I have to do, install drivers, install drivers. Okay, and check, first install the drivers. Mm, printer is online or not. Okay, and test print. So it confirms printer is working. Okay, so this is the installation of local printer, guys. To do that one, we need a printer. And where is the printer? My laptop having a printer, so I don't worry about it. So in my laptop also I'm so first of all I'm going to my control panel. You can go to search, or you can go to somewhere. Also you can go to, this is sometimes, you know, when we need things will give you very bad decision. This is my physical laptop, so I'm going to control panel. In a control panel, here it is. Check. Check printer in control panel. Printer and devices. Sorry, devices and printers. There you can check. You can find. So you can see this. It's my control panel. Where is devices and printers? This is devices and printers. So here it is my devices, and this is my printer. Okay, this is the printer, my Wi-Fi printer. One more printer will be there. I think I removed it. I should not remove it. So okay, maybe it is accidentally removed. But this is the printer. Currently in my home, it is a printer. So printer comes scanner. Currently status is offline. And it is a, what about a printer? And this is the printer. And also you can try to go to printer properties. So you will understand about a printer, see what's printing, printer properties, add printer, add a device. So this is the printer name. This is where it is connected, the location with IP address. Okay, this is the IP address of the printer because it's a Wi-Fi printer, right? So it is a that related one. It's not specifically sharing from my PC because no need to access from my PC. Maximum resolution is 1200 dpi. Which port it is connected, like that, other informations. Okay, so we'll go to that information again. So this is how to check the installed printers. Next one is how to install the printer. Step by step we'll see. Okay, Here it is, I don't have any specific printer, but I'm going to install with some generic printer. So Windows 10. But if you are having really a Windows 10 PC and a printer, then directly you can download a printer drivers. First of all, I will put a reality. So what is this? Download drivers from internet, means printers original website, and install drivers. Okay, install drivers. Enter. Enter in control panel, devices, and printers. Okay. Test print to confirm working. So this is the reality. But this what I'm trying to do is I'm faking it because I don't have any drivers. I don't have any printer. First of all, direct physically or virtually, I am not having anything. Just for a show purpose, I'm showing. So first of all, I'm going to control panel. This again device and printer. This also we can able to add printer. This is for learning purpose, guys, and also really we can do it. This is also we can able to do it real time. So look at here. So first of all, I have to go to control panel. So I type control to go to control panel. Okay, so don't worry, guys. I will complete this part. Okay, that's for today. This is devices and printers. Guys, when you are telling about something installation and all, compulsory go by step. Okay, each step how you go, that to explain it. Like writing some examination. In examination, uh, you want to write about how to solve a particular problem. How to solve a particular problem. So how you write step by step. This is the problem. This is the first step, second step, like that. Same thing. Step by step, explain it. So these are the overall devices are directly installed. Now I want to add a printer. Add a device, add a printer. I want to add a printer. Now it is searching for a printer step by step. First, click on add printer. Okay. So what happened? It search for connected printer. Any printer is connected, like directly USB or network. It is connected or not, like that. It will verify. It search for a connected printer. Then, of course, we don't have a printer here. Okay. So the printer that I was not that I want isn't listed. It may show some printers. Maybe it is not your printer. See what you will do. You have to select the printer that I want is not listed. Printer I was not listed something. So what it is? The printer. So that's a mistake, right? So not. What are the printer it is showing? It's not showing anything. That the printer that I was not. That I was not. That isn't. So why I go to was not. That isn't listed. So select this one. Okay. So select it. Now it is showing a list. Now it is showing a list. So remember, you have to click this one. It show the list. You have to use the last option. And what I'm doing is print screen. So I'm adding this thing. Okay. So crop. Okay. So yeah, I will tell what are the things are required. Also, I will tell here. The first one is you have to go to uh, add a printer. Next one is why. Select this option. Next one is you have to select the last option. This one. Okay. Select this last option. But what are all these options? I will explain one by one. Look at here. So my printer is little older. Help me find out. Means your OS no your older printer information. Then you have to go to first one. You have already printer is there, which is shared printer. Already printer is there, which is shared printer. You have to give the share information / computer name or a local PC name or a local PC IP address and printer name, or you can browse it, which is shared printers are available in the network. So you can click on browse. Any shared printers are available in the network, so you will get it like PCs, and you can select it. Okay, so what are the sharing things are there? Automatically you'll find it through network discovery. Yeah, one more point is there, guys. I will explain that one. Please do not miss that one last point. Another troubleshooting thing in the network. So what is the third one? Add a printer using IP address or host name. Again, same network printer configuration. This is network printer configuration. This is network printer configuration. So what I will do, I'll write here. This is for a okay. Can we do it? This is for a network printer configuration. Okay. And what is this? This is for a shared printer. Network printer. Okay, this is directly shared printer, network printer. And this is why this much maintenance. Okay. A Bluetooth, like a Bluetooth printer, Wi-Fi printer, auto discovery printer. Okay, that kind of purpose. But last printer, the last one is our printer, right? So that is either it is a local or a network printer configuration. It's a local printer or a network printer configuration. Okay. So Wi-Fi printers, so you can go to a Bluetooth wireless network discoverable, or it's like this. Wi-Fi. Earlier days, Bluetooth printers also came. Now it is not there. Okay. By name itself, we can understand, but why it is. Why it is. Why it is this much distance. It is maintaining. Okay. This is the basic configurations. Guys, again, this is for a network printer. This is a any wireless network discover printer, Wi-Fi printer kind of stuff. This is a local printer or a network printer with a manual settings, manual configuration. Exactly. So it is not automatic configuration, manual configuration purpose. Next, it is asking which port you are connected. Okay, which port you are connected. So LPT means line printer terminal. I'm leaving like that. Normally you have to select TCP port, local port, like that also you can use it. TCP IP port means through network. If you are connected through network, this is through network. This is local means USB or parallel port or a USB local. This is through network. I'm not doing anything, just put a existing port. This is for practical purpose. Now it is list out the default drivers in my PC. It is list out default drivers in my PC. Okay, so may I have to go to back. So this is the selection. Go to next. Screen. This is for our purpose we are doing. Yeah, that is enough. This is what we require. So I'm using a existing port. Next one is next. So in this one, you have to select any manufacturer wise. Like in a olden days, in a world Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, it generates a lot of drivers like a Brothers, Epson, HP, Dell, like that. So a lot of Xerox thing. But now it is not showing much. So I'm selecting a generic, some random one. So I'll select a generic IBM width. Okay, so like this I'm selecting. Okay, so earlier we have a good drivers. Normally you can click on a have a disk, copies a manufacturer's file from browse. You are already having a drivers, you can browse it from your location in the form of INF. In the form of INF drivers, in the form of INF, you can load it. Okay, you know, there's one more my personal experience. I have a senior trainer, so senior means is not senior in the training, is already learned the course, complete course, full-fledged, very knowledgeable person who got a little extra salary than me. So as I am a fresher that time, so I'm fresher trainer, is already trained, certified, CCNA, so many things are there. Very knowledgeable person as per the organization. Okay, so as per me is a selfish, very selfish. Is uncomparable between me and him. Okay, is what happened? There's some system. He got a what we can say, whenever we install when we are installing drivers. So there is a system. We have to install the drivers. So the technician given a drivers and left. So our boss trust more seniors, right? So senior means people who shows they are having a knowledge, not people keep silent. Okay. So what this guy will do, I will install the drivers, but he's unable to install it because .exe file is not there. Drivers means in generally, I'll show you some drivers. whether you are listening or not. So these are the drivers, right? So for example, this is the LAN drivers. See, .exe files are there. If I click on this setup.exe, the LAN related that application like application, it will install in my PC, as well as the related application related things will be download, as well as drivers also go. Okay, drivers also will go. It install both application and drivers of a LAN card related things. But in our whatever we got it, that does not contains setup.exe kind of stuff. No other DXs. Only we are having a INF file. Windows 864 like this. We are having a this INF file. You don't know how to load this INF file. Okay, you don't know how to load INF file. So we are also not much knowledge that time. That is, we are also fresher, but we have done little bit small workouts. So we got little idea about it. So sad thing is, I'm not selfish. I told him how to do it. That's the problem with me. Okay. So what I've done, so I browse from there like this. I'll browse it. No, not this one, not this one. Cancel. No. Don't, no. Not like that, not like that. You have to go to the Butler drive. Okay. So you have to go to that Butler drive, D drive, E drive kind of stuff. Then find out where is the drivers that INF file. Click on it, open it. Then you can able to load it. This is one chance, guys. One is when you go to add printer or add devices, you have to come up to this part and click on have a disk, browse, select the where is INF file, select it, click open, it will download the drivers automatically. But here we are not having that situation anyway, so I am just selecting this generic drivers. Next, can finish. Of course, I have some drivers in my PC. Do not share. Currently, I'm not sharing it. So I'm selecting do not share this piece. I'll share it later. Print the test page, and finish it. I'm not clicking it, just I'm checking the printer is came on. So this is the printer. It's a 9-pin printer, means it is a dot matrix printer. Okay. So in my PC I have a printer drivers also available, but where I kept I didn't remember. No, this is a different drivers, not printer drivers. It is a HV something, not a drivers. It is a. So I downloaded a, in my PC one or two type of, yeah, it is no problem. So we got something. I will try to install this printer better. So this is another way to install a drivers. So one way I showed that this is another way better. We'll try. This is a very old printer drivers, guys. It's a very old machine printers. So here it is. Setup.exe is there. So you can install the setup.exe or install.exe, launcher.exe like that. This is for an installation. So your 64-bit, 32-bit extract, full extract. Okay, you have a 32-bit, 64-bit. So this is INF. This is INF. Same thing. You can do it. You add printer. This option, local printer or network printer. Next, have it is browse on my desktop. So where is my desktop? On my desktop. This is there. So find out INF. Auto INF or this INF. Anything, no problem. Just I'm trying it. Working or not working. See it is. Which driver you want it? I have 1020. Next. Printer. Next. Like this also you can install. Easiest method is, guys, if you have a .exe file, double click, install. If you don't have .exe, what to do? Find out INF file. You can load the INF file like this. So I'm installing another printer. Desktop level, guys. Desktop level is always good. Okay, so do not share this printer. Yes, I don't want to share this printer now. You can take a print, test page, finish. So this is my printer. Now I have a two printers. Which printer I want to make it as a default? For example, I have a document. For example, this is the document. Okay, it contains something. I want to take a print. Control P. So, which is by default, it is coming like this. Laser jet 1020 check mark is there. It automatically selected. If I click print, print came from this printer only. Okay, so but by default it is not showing which one is default printer in this line. I want to make this one as a default. Right click, set as a default printer. Okay. Oh, I said set as a default printer. Yes, it's green check mark. The green check mark represent it is a default printer. Now I'm taking print of this document. See, it is showing this is a green check mark. So when I take print, automatically print came from this one only. Otherwise you can change it. I want to change this one as a default printer. Now the green check mark is came. You can see default, model and category is a printer. Okay guys, this is how to install a printer. Two more things are there. This is I am giving a print. I click on a print. Now it is sent for a printing purpose. Of course, I am getting an error. We'll see that one. You can see what's printing, or you can see this is the printer symbol. So go to this printer symbol. Look at here. What document is printing? What document is printing? Is it a printing? Is it a printing? It's showing error, or it is completed. Once it is completed, it remove from the queue. If it is not completed, it waits in the queue. Okay guys, here it is. If in case printer is not working, or you don't want to continue the print, you don't want to continue the print, printer is not working, you are getting an error. Printer is stopped at present. You are given accidentally 100 prints. Currently, no printing, or you don't want to print. What to do? Go to this, see what's printing, cancel the print, turn off the printer, means switch off the printer and cancel the print. Then print queue will be deleted. This is the print spooler, SPOOL, print spool. Okay, this is the print spool and a print queue. Also you can say print queue. Okay, anything is in the print queue, either it is going to be print or maybe weighted or a error, anything we can get it. Once it is printed, it will be removed from the queue. Once print completed, it removed from the queue. If print is not completed, it's in the queue. So compulsory when you are printing, check the see what's printing. See what's printing. Okay, this is the one point. Next one is printer properties. Okay, so in a printer properties, you can give the location, comments and all. Test print, preference. You can take the test prints, preference. So how you want to take a print, source, trace, other color settings, landscape, portrait kind of settings, you can able to do it. You can share the printer. Before sharing the printer, I will tell another thing. Okay, ports where it is connected, enable printer pooling comes under a network printer. This is advanced. This is a important point in the printer management. The printer properties. This is a another important one. Oh, I didn't show you what to select. Sorry. This is printer properties are very important. Sorry, I didn't click on that point. Okay, so we'll add it later. I will add. So here it is, always available, priority. So this is the important. Start printing after last page is spooled. Spooled means you are giving 100 pages. Each page will load to this spool. Each page will be loaded to this spool before print starts. Each page. Either it is one page is loaded, start printing. Here it is, all pages load, start printing. 100 pages loaded, start printing. But it will take time. This is first page load, start printing. This is never spool, direct printing, no spooling. But spooling option is, even though it is a little bit late, no problem, better, it's a safe. Because of first, the printable format load into the temporarily into the spool, so from spool to the printer. So any small disturbance occur, but safely you will get a printout. Hold mismatched documents. Okay, print spooled documents first. Keep document like enable advanced features. Here also printer defaults, print process, separate page. The separate page, you know, if you are working in an organization, several people are giving a print. Several people will give print because of network printers or in a share printers. Multiple people are giving a print. So once print completed, so what will happen? Once print completed, what happened? Next person print will be there. It's a queue, right? One person given a 50 prints. B person given a 100 prints. C person given a 20 prints. So totally first 50, 100, 20. Totally 170 printouts completed. But whose printouts are this one? So you can put a separator. Put a one document. So once you are when are you given a print? Once your documents are printed, once your printed is completed, separator will be printed. So this is a security. You can able to give access permissions to the printer. So some other configurations. Yeah, sharing is on pending, and one more is there in this one. Okay, guys, this is the printer part. Now, how to share the printer? We'll go to that point again. Share printer, access printer part. That is installation of printer. This is share printer. Yeah, that is I will finish and we'll close today. Right click on the printer, go to printer properties. Go to printer properties, sharing tab, share this printer, apply, okay. But what I'm trying to do is, no. First is printer properties is very important, right? Print screen. have to select printer properties. Next one, select the printer properties, select sharing, select this option, select this option. Next one is select that option. Next, OK, apply, OK kind of stuff, right? So this is apply, OK. Now printer is shared. Can you see this is symbol represent printer is shared. Shared printer symbol. Printer is shared. So if you want, I can take that one also. Okay. So printer is shared. Next one is how to access a shared printer. Two ways you can able to do it. Two ways you can able to do it. Printer is shared. So here it is. You have to check this option. Checking. Okay. And here it is. You have to go to printer properties. Okay. Sharing printer. Sharing printer is completed, guys. Now you have to access the printer. So how to access the printer? So go to other PC, means my PC. Go to run. Check the IP address of this one, right? First of all, you should know the IP address. How to check the IP address? IP config. So same IP address, right? So this is the IP address. So here you have to give like this. Okay. Go to print screen. Control V. That is it. Okay, this is the first part. Okay, so what is the second one? So you have to open this one. Just click OK. So here it is asking credentials. It is asking credentials. So SD user one and the password. Like a network only. Admin at the rate 123. So I should take click OK. I'm not remembering anything. Not accessible. So I'm getting an error here. What to do? 1 second. Will be um, I think username password no problem. Okay. So it will ask this. Give the username password. The next one is username password. But currently I'm getting an error. So we'll try this new error part. Why I'm getting this error? That is important, right? So this is a error message I'm getting. So why I'm getting is important. So 190.168.29.193 is not accessible. You may not have a permission to use this network resources. Contact administrator of this server to find out if you have a access permissions. So this is the thing. So there is a 2-3 things we have to troubleshoot, right? First of all, go to command prompt, try to ping to the server, right? So first of all, I'm trying to ping to that machine. Pinging is good. Pinging is good. Means no network errors, no IP address errors. Pinging is good. No, what, not at all a problem. Okay, no problem with the ping. So to solve the problem, what are the steps we have taken? I try to ping to that PC 190.168.29.193. Guys, already I told there is a, when you got this kind of issues, there is a several problems are there. One is go to control panel, network and sharing center. Go to network and sharing center. In this one, go to advanced settings, advanced sharing changes. Okay, so next one, where I went, in that one, I am going to advanced sharing like this. Okay, so in generally, you are not getting a problem because of turn on network discovery, turn on file and printer sharing. In a public, turn on printer and file sharing, turn on network discovery. Important is turn on file and printer sharing. This is important. Not this, this is important. Okay. All networks. So other, turn on password protected sharing. Turn on sharing. So anyone with network access can read, write files in the public folder. Okay. So just better we are open all gates. Later we will restrict. So turn on password sharing. So first one is go to private profile, check this is turn on is there or not. So otherwise change it to turn on. The private is important. Make sure that both are in a private. Both PCs are in a profile. Network profile is private. This is guest or a public. In guest or public, generally we don't do the sharing, but we need a access. So then this one. Next one, I'm going to all networks, both public like this, turn on, use encryption for a file sharing, and also password protected sharing. This much not required to take every picture and see. There is a, again guys, there is a possibility of so I click on save changes. Okay, so one troubleshooting completed. Another one is a firewall or a printer related things. So again, I'm trying to open //192.168.29.193. Okay, it is asking a username password. Yes, the user one password is admin@123. Still it is showing you might not have a permission to use this network resources, contact administrator kind of stuff. So maybe there is a little possibility of sharing, network sharing related. Because yesterday sharing is working, today is not working. So there may be some other issues. I'm going to devices and printers because of, maybe because of devices and printers. And also look at here. See, this is the drive is disconnected. Connection is not restored. So why? That is a big question. I'm going to properties, add sharing, security, everyone, yellow printer. Okay, yellow printer means any person can able to access the printer. So no problem with the security. Now it is a very big problem. So this is one of the thing, like you can't able to share the files and printers, network and sharing center, advanced sharing. There you have to enable, turn on sharing. That is important. Of course, you have to check the pinging too. So where is the third one? Maybe there is a possibility of firewall, but yesterday I am unable to access this data, right? I can't. Why? I will try 192.168. I'm trying in my own same PC. Is any? Yeah. See, like this, it will shows. It should show like this. Yesterday, this user's part not showing. Okay, user's part not showing, but today it is showing. Why it is showing today? Because it's a one PC, same PC, no restrictions. Password is also correct. So password is also correct. So what I am trying to do is I will this is a SD user one and sign out. Successful practicals are always good. Okay, so failed projects, failed practicals give irritation, but it will teach us lot of things. It teaches lot of things. See, my login ID is also correct. Not throwing in any error, right? So my username password is also correct. It is showing because it's not verified it. Showing an error, it's not verified it. You might not have a permission to use this network resources. Contact administration of this server to find out if you have a access permission. Multiple connections or shared resource with same user using more than one username are not allowed. Disconnect all previous connections. Still shared again. What is this? Turn on network discovery. Network. This is the network, guys. Yes, the user one. Admin at the rate 1. So it is came. I don't know. By name it is came. Okay, so it will show like this. Example, it will show like this. This is enough. This for accessing. This is for troubleshooting. This is for accessing. Accessing. This is from my PC. Okay, this is my PC. So you have to right click on this printer. So what I have to do? Where is it? Here it is. Right click and choose connect. Choose connect. Whether it will connect or not, we don't know, but we'll check it. Choose connect. So Windows cannot connect it to the printer. I know all. Windows cannot connect to the printer. Yeah, we can able to access the data. Data can be accessible. Even public data also can able to accessible. App data. But why cannot access the printer? Username password incorrect. Disconnect. Why it is irritating me? No, well, actually, what I want to show the steps I completed. Yeah, it is working. Check the connect print screen, and we'll try again. So this is with IP address. With IP address. Right click, connect. Yeah. So you can take this error. Okay, operation failed with error 0x00011B and search in Google. I don't get it, but no problem, guys. I'll show you very easiest method. So when you say connect, okay, so it will be connected to your PC. Okay, so it is done. Then take a document, give print. So you'll get a that information, like you can see your printer, shared printer information, where it is. No, not like this. Uh, why this is? Oh, it is not required at all. I have an idea. Access the printer. Try another page. Not like this. So I'm accessing from my control panel. Go to control panel. Devices and printers. Add printer. It was not listed. I use shared printer, like slash slash their IP address 192.168.23 slash printer name. So printer name is, it came already. As you can do browsing. You can click on browse. Also you can choose the like this. Okay. You can browsing. Also one of the accessing printer. Next. Immediately got an error. Otherwise, browse, select, next. Why I'm not able to understand? It is showing an error. Is like 0x000. Sorry, 0x000 11B error. See, here it is. So solved column. Yes, it is uninstall the problematic security updates. So security updates causes issue. First place deal with this one. It's not a ideal way to fix the issues since network is vulnerable. Printer name matter to vulnerable Microsoft. So okay. So yesterday it got updated. So that's why. How many are left? Sorry guys, column is there. The issues. So here it is. Yeah. So it is showing registry. In the registry, if you are getting this issue, how to solve the issue? So by lot of because of this updates. Yesterday I got this update, of course. Because of that one also I getting issue, but I cannot install that one, right? Uninstallation kind of stuff. So better I will try with my registry in that one. So you can see local machine system current control print, right? So then I go to registry, regedit, go to run, regedit. Already I told successful practicals are good. Failure practicals will teach you how to do it. So magnifier. This is the setting. Go to settings. Okay. So in this one, smooth edge text is there now. Just you can remove it. Now it is anyway. It is working good. But I open a magnifier. Where is the magnifier? Go to settings. So actually there is two things are there. So one is you have to remove this one. Second one is change it to 25 10% like that. Okay. So whenever you zoom, it's a 25% type percent 5% zoom will be there. Okay. So I'm closing this settings. Okay. Look at here. This is a local machine. System or a software. So currently check it where it is. System current control set. Go to software means application system current control set. In this one control hardware enum profile services. Again, don't worry guys. We need a guideline. So control print. Go to control. Under that one, find out where is the print. Print. Okay. So this is the better print. In this one, okay. In this one, what to do? RPC authentication level privacy enabled set into 0. Okay, here it is written what to do. So you can take that picture also, but where is this RPC kind of stuff? That is important, right? Under print, find out that RPC, GMT adjust, provider, printer, pending, monitor, forms, environment. Yeah, this is our printer name. Local port. RPC kind of stuff. Why it is not there? No, see, there is a solution. Still, we can't able to find it. Oh, it's creating new one, not one. So once again, we have to confirm. Let's say read properly. Create a new key. Okay, like this. New D word 32. So we'll try that one. New D word 32 value for this thing, and the value must be 0. This is how to find a solution. The value is 0 anyway. Now you change something in a registry. Okay, where I go? First of all, local machine system current control set 00 control. In control, we'll find a printer, and our printer I created this one. Okay, RPC, this privacy level enable 0. So regulate it twice. We'll try to troubleshoot, but to work on it, so we need a restart. We'll try this one solution. So one solution is, so try to check, turn on network discovery part. Second one is saying updates, future updates should be uninstalled, but problem is it is already installed yesterday. If I uninstall again, it will install later. Maybe unnecessary updates. Okay, see, it's a change management. So I updated, changes happen. It may cause problems. What to do? Yeah, either you have to revert it, or to find a other solution for it. Okay. See, ping is successful, but I am not able to access the printer, unable to access the sharing. So different ways to solve the problem. Put that question also. What is the question? Ping is successful, but unable to access the sharing, unable to access the shared printer. Oh, it's 2 o'clock. Anyway, it is a last. If it is works, good. If it is not works, it's okay, no problem. But understand the printer and sharing of printer, network printer and Wi-Fi printer currently. So guys, the standards and latest, you have to know both the things. As a service desk, like in a service desk level of questions regarding printers, because the training is not for a it's mainly meant for what happened. You know, if I put my virtual machine 4 GB, virtual machine runs good, physical machine slows. Yeah, anyway, I log in. Still it is there. I am trying to open. Yeah, it's running. Important is I open this network related. Yeah, this is finally came. Okay. Connect. It's not working. Okay, solution is not working. So what is I'm adding manually. Add a printer using host name. To detect IP address 193. It is for a network printer. Oh, yeah. Keep disconnecting. My network something internet volume is there. That's it, guys. The network is also good internet because of running or power. It's okay, guys. Thank you. Still going on. I don't require anything. This is enough. Basically, when you given a print, so it will get a the printer name. That's it. So this is the steps are correct. All steps are showing error. But when you got an error, so don't give up. Time is not enough. Otherwise, you can do it. See, that is the importance of what is the importance of also it is showing. Okay. So also try. So he's doing a Prince polar solution also. Print. Hmm. I'll try that one. Print poll service. Start. Okay, we'll try. Okay, so go to run again. Open, connect. Nothing. Yeah, we have to try several times, then we will get succeed. But you can see it is whatever we run, we learn about registry, we learn about services. The both the things he used, right? Services used, registry he is used. So that's why these things are very important when you are doing troubleshooting. Even though you have a guideline to do it, but you should know how to open it. That's it. That's it, guys. That is enough for today. We have only 3 members. No problem. Thank you, guys. Bhavani, Yamini, and Venumadhav.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. So I'm also leaving. Also stop recording. And that